Now, let's move to the third example that we have. It is the log fields. For this one, we are going to use the image wrapper. If we take a look at the image wrapper in here, we see that it is empty. We can go to the image wrapper in here and see that we have 20 contents. Let's go and start this image wrapper job while I show you how the content model for those looks like. At first glance, you can see the difference between the fields across the space A and space B. As you already know, this is not a problem for ImpulseSync, but please pay attention to the focal point in space B. This is a JSON field that content editors from HRG manually input only in space B. This doesn't exist in space A. So the requirement in this case was to be able to sync all the rest of the fields without losing the focal point value. Let's see if we already have the image wrapper in space B. It seems like we do. Let's refresh also the image wrapper in here and let's pick one. For example, the view. Let's pick, the view. What I want to do is to do the same that the content authors from HRG are doing. I have a JSON in here. Give me just 1 second to copy and paste it in here, and let's publish that change. And also let's update this and publish this change. And let's run the impulse job again. While this is running, we can see how this is configured in the job mapper. As you can see, it is a really simple configuration. We just add it under the field lockings, and that's it. This could be one to many fields. Another cool feature that I haven't mentioned so far is that ImpulseSync ability to get all the fields from the content types that we are using. The end user of ImpulseSync UI will be able to select any of them. If we go to the add field mapping, you can see that we have the image wrapper source fields in here and the image wrapper destination fields in here. And also in any of these dropdowns, we can choose from the fields that we have in that content type. Let's go back to the job listing. It seems like the image wrapper already ran. And let's go into the content. Let's refresh this. As you can see, this was the only content that was updated. If we go into it, you can see that we have the update, but there is a focal point value in this case. There is no need for manual input again from the content authors.